Hi there, it's Rick Larson. I'm headed to the airport to fly to DC on a red-eye flight in a few hours, and I'll be there at the Capitol tomorrow morning in time for well in time before the vote. I think it's important though to kind of run the numbers here. You know, I'm going to be voting against the big ugly bill. The Senate didn't improve the bill. It takes healthcare and food away from families by giving tax cuts to the richest Americans and largest corporations. I've been throughout the district today at the Help House in Oak Harbor Food Bank. I've been to Helping Hands in Sedro-Woolley, the Edmonds Food Bank as well. Several other food banks in the area. The number one concern they have is if food stamps are cut, it's going to put more pressure on local food banks. In addition to that, the budget is cutting money that is used to purchase food for food banks. So there's a double whammy to families who are in need of using food banks. I've also talked to healthcare providers. I was at the Compass Health Center. I went to CMAR Behavioral Health today. I was at Skagit Valley Regional Hospital in Mount Vernon last week, hearing a similar story when it comes to access to healthcare. Access to healthcare, which will be cut. We know 34,000 to 46,000 individual people in the second district are going to lose access to health insurance because of cuts to healthcare access and Medicaid, cuts to support for the Affordable Care Act. This is going to have direct impact on your friends, on your neighbors. And why is this all getting done? Well, let's run through some of those numbers. Because we know that the top 1% of income earners, are going to get 22% of the benefit. We know that the top 5% are getting 43% of the benefit. Top 10% of income earners, none of you watching this, are getting 52% of the benefit, and 20% is getting 66% of the benefit. That leaves 80% of income earners, a lot of people I represent, getting a share of about 34% of the total bill, whether it's tax cuts or in other benefits. So this is really skewed to the richest Americans, the largest corporations. It's cutting healthcare access. It's cutting access to food assistance. It's doing a lot of other terrible things as well. I'll be voting no.